What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we got a 2008 Mercedes C300. Blower motor doesn't work, so we're gonna check this baby out. We're gonna go inside the wheel. I do got a blower motor on the way because the customer requested it anyway. But right in here, blower motor is located under the dash here, right by the glove box, under the glove box. But prior to that, let's put the key on. We're gonna start the engine up. So we're gonna press. So there's nothing, okay, not even high speed. Try high speed, you never know. But because sometimes it's a resistor, so it doesn't work on any speed. So no airflow, no AC, no heat, no air coming out of the vents. So down here, let's see if we can put the seat any further back. Down here, we're gonna remove 3 screws. Right down here. We got 1, 2, and 3. I'm not sure what size. It looked like somebody already been here because I see some torque marks. I see some wrenches. Okay, that doesn't fit. This fits good there. So we're gonna put this on our electric tool here. So this is T20. So somebody's been down here. So somebody must have been checking this baby out. There's some markings there. So maybe somebody try to repair this, so bear with me here a moment. And there's one over here. I'm not sure what would be the reason to be down here, unless it was a blower motor related. Okay, we're gonna disconnect this little guy right here. Just push on this clip, and we got one over here. We're gonna just turn this one out. This is a sensor, I believe, so we leave that sitting there. Okay, what's holding us up now is nothing. Just gonna have to pull this guy a little bit with some force. Okay. Okay, I don't know what this is. This might be a vent or something. Okay, stuck on the harness. There it is. Should come out. Okay, let me get this out and then we'll move on forward. So got the cover off. Here's somebody's already been here. So I heard a noise from here. Usually if you're hearing any kind of noise, the motor sometimes wants to turn on it. Sometimes you can put the motor on right now if you put the key on and put the blower motor on high speed. If you punch it, it might kick on. You never know. But we're gonna get this guy off. And I got one hand, okay? So we're gonna take this blower motor out. To take out this blower motor, let's see what we gotta do here. Let's see what I gotta do here. So to take out this blower motor, there's gotta be a screw or some sort. I'll figure that part out. Okay, so there's got to be a screw somewhere, unless this one is without screws. Some of them you have to turn them out. So this one might be one of those that you turn out. Okay, I don't see any screws on this one. There is a harness here connected to it. Okay, I'm gonna look at the new one, and then at the end of the video I'll give you a part number. This guy gotta come off. Usually I just move them like that. So there's no screw here. There's nothing there. So I guess I just gotta yank this really hard, turn it. Which direction? Okay, I think I gotta pop that and then turn it. So I gotta pull down on this and probably turn it. So I'm not sure if that's gonna work out. Okay, definitely gonna look at the new one. All right, I do have the new one. So here's a new blower. Okay, I see this little guy. There's no screw there, so I see this little guy, this little notch. I was looking, then I was trying to pull down on it, and you got this little housing here, which housing has this little retainer on one side so I can't turn it this way. I do gotta go turn it. If I was looking from the bottom, I gotta turn it. I believe I gotta turn it clockwise from the bottom. Okay, usually it will be counterclockwise, but okay, you see how it locks in with these little mechanism all around. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. Let's go back in there with all of my mighty and force. Let's see if I could do this. So I gotta turn it. Definitely gotta pull down on that little guy to turn it clockwise. I got it to sit, it budged a little bit. The notch is sitting on top of the little guy. There you go. A little bit more maybe, there you go. It's out. What's holding this thing in now? Nothing. So I did pull a little notch, and once it goes past that, it sits on top of that, and then you can just turn it out. Time to reverse the procedure with the new blower motor. Okay, this is like a $190 blower motor here. Let's pull that connector out. Once we align everything, all these connectors not bothering us, we should be able to. Is my camera recording? Yep, it is. Come on. There you go. Something's bothering us. There you go. That's the spot. That's the spirit. It's got to go in about. Whew, how much? Where that will be at? We not even. We got to go about like. We got to turn about 1.5 inches. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Maybe I'm not at the correct position, or something is blocking us. Something might be on the way. Okay guys, once I get this in, I'll show you, because I gotta move all this out of the way. But that's how it's gonna. Okay, I reinstalled it. So you make sure you start. You're right next to this. You see this little guy? So you're gonna start like right here. This is where you make sure your motor's here. Otherwise, you're never gonna get it. I've been on it for a while. There you go. Got it. Reverse procedure. Let's connect this baby. And these connectors kind of suck for expensive car. Okay. So we're gonna attach all this, and I'm gonna put the cover on. But before that, let's try our blower motor. Let's see if it works. It should work. You can even test it before you plug it. Hold it in your hand. Have somebody turn the speed for you. Make sure you don't hurt yourself though. Started the car, I don't know why. We got full blast of air. There you go. And we started to get heat. Okay. That blower motor. On high speed it makes noise. On high speed it makes noise. I'm not sure why. It might be a defect motor. The box was torn apart. Okay, so let's go take a look at the box. That sucks. That really sucks. Got a box sitting in here. Okay, look at this condition of this box. This is how they sent it to me. So somebody must have used it and returned it for the same reason. So I can't be taking. Okay. So this is the brand and this is the part number. what we're gonna do, I just can't wait a couple hours for a part. And that's what I'm talking about when I'm talking about parts are issue nowadays. There are issues, okay? Anyway, guys, at least we fixed the car, put the cover back in, make sure put that little light connector, the sensor in there, and it's good to go. Give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys in the next video.